Right, yeah, we are still working on this building drawing as we have worked on the plan or the floor plan. Now we want to work on question B, which is we are to draw the front elevation of the building. So we are standing here at the front of the building. This is the front of the building. So we are looking at the building in this direction. So we want to see how the front surface, what it will look like. So that's what we want to do. So standing here, I'm going to see the edge of this wall, the edge of this wall. We see this window, and then I'm going to see this beam, and as a result of that, I will also see this window, and then I'm going to have a line here, a line here. Okay, so I'm going to see the edge. There's going to be an edge of a wall here, and also an edge of a wall here. I will see this window at the veranda, and I will also see this window and then the edge of this wall. So those are things that we are going to put together for the front elevation of this building. But what we are to do first is that we are to draw a horizontal line as the ground level. Okay, so we have the horizontal line, this horizontal line for the ground level. Okay, then having done that, the next thing that we are going to do is that, so I usually project from the point that we have here, so from the edge of this wall. So I'm going to project a line. So I'll project a line down here like this. Okay, so we have this, and then I'm looking at this. This is not straight. Okay, um, okay. All right. So I will retake it. So we have this. All right. So then I'm going to see this window. So we take a vertical line down here. Okay, so and then here I will also take a vertical line down for this window, and then so coming here I will also do the same thing by taking a vertical line down, and all these lines should be drawn within continuous line. Okay, so that if you need to erase, so you'll be able to erase it quickly. And also at this point, as I said, that we are going to see the edge of a wall here at this veranda. So we have this, and then we also have this window. So we have this window here. So project a vertical line down. Okay, so then here also, so we also draw a vertical line down. Okay, so then we are going to see the edge of this wall. So take a vertical line down, and for this window that we have here, so we take a vertical line, so down here. Okay, so and then we do the same thing here, taking a vertical line down. Okay, so then we see the edge of this wall, so we take a vertical line down. Okay, so then all right, so having done this, the next thing that we are going to do is to position the floor level. So floor level, so that is not that will not be mentioned, so just take 1.5 or 2 millimeters up. So 1.5 or 2 millimeters up, just take it. I'm taking 2 millimeters. Okay, so then so draw horizontal line here for the floor level. Okay, so draw horizontal line from here to here, so representing the floor level. And then so we need to indicate on this line, so write GL here for the ground level. Okay, so you need to do that. So next thing that we are going to do is to go and work on the roof. Okay, so floor to ceiling height. So floor to ceiling height. So I'm looking at what we are given here. So floor to ceiling height is not mentioned here. It's not mentioned. So when you have such an information missing in building drawing, so just take it as 3,100, 3,000 or 3,100 for floor to ceiling height. So this is the floor now. So as I said that this is the floor level, so this is the surface of the floor. So take 3,000 or 3,100. So I'm going to take 3,100. So if I divide 3,100 by 100, that'll give me 31. So which means that from the floor surface, I will take a measurement of 31 millimeters up. I'm not starting from 0. I'm starting from what? From 4. So this is 10, 20, 30, and 31. So this is 31. Okay, so let me do the same thing here. So we also have it to be this is 20, 30, so this is 31. Okay, so I'm going to draw horizontal line. So I'll draw horizontal line like this from here to here. So we have this. Okay, all right. So then now, so east projection. So for the east projection, so just come here, so and take a vertical line down like this. Okay, so I will come here also. I will take a vertical line down here like this. Okay, what type of roof are we dealing with as we have it here? What type of roof are we dealing with? They said it's a pitch, sorry, it's a hip roof, and the pitch angle is 35 degree. It's a hip roof, and the pitch angle is 35 degrees. So a hip roof is a type of roof that we have the four sides as slanting, four slanting sides. So the front is slanted, and the back is also slanted. We also have the right side and the left side, they are all slanting. Okay, so that is the kind of roof that we have. Okay, so what we are going to do now is that we need to draw the facial board. So the facial board, we need to position the facial board. So for the facial board, I'm going to so I will take take 3 millimeters up. So though that is not mentioned in the specifications, so I'll take 3 millimeters up. Okay, so I also have 3 millimeters here. So I'm going to connect this together. I'm going to connect this together for the facial board. So I will connect these 2 points together with a straight line. So I'll make it a thick line at once like this. Okay, so this represents the facial board. Okay, then I will now take my protractor to take that 35 millimeters. Okay, and another thing that we need to take note here, so this angle that we have here, because so when we take the angle, there's something I need to bring out from the floor plan. From the floor plan, I need to get that angle from the floor plan. So I'm going to work it out from the floor plan. So the angle is 35 degree. That is the pitch angle. So I'm going to come to this point on the is projection. So and I will take 35. So this is 30, 35 degree. Okay, so I will do the same thing on this side. So from this point on the east projection. Okay, so and I will take 35. So 35. So this is 30, 35. Okay, so I have this. So what I want to get out from here. Okay, so let me do the same thing. So up here, so we take 35 degree. So this is 30, 35. Okay, and then I'll come here and also take 35 degree. So this is 30 and this is 35 degree. So I'm going to draw a line. So from here through this, so it goes like this. Okay, so here I'll also do the same too. I've done the video for the floor plan, so I just have to watch it. Okay, so I'll also draw from here to here. So here I will also draw, looking at where I put that mark. Okay, so it goes together with this then. For this, all right. So this is look at look at what we have here. The four sides, they are slanting, as you can see it here. So but so this is the roof. Okay, um so looking at what we have here, so we are to so I'm going to, all right, so Then I'll just come here. So this is what I talked about. Okay, but I'm not expecting it to join. There's supposed to be a short line in between them. So I work that out here. So I work that out here. So place the protractor here at this point, and then so set make sure you have this 90-degree line on this line. So here we take 35, so 35 degree, so this is 35 degree here, and I will also come here and also take 35 degree. So the reason why I'm saying that we are supposed to have a straight line in between them is that so it's in rectangular form, not in a square form. Okay, supposing it's in square form, so we have it to be in this form, but it's not in a square form, so it's a rectangular form. So there's supposed to be a short horizontal line in between these lines. So I work that out here. Okay, so here we have this to be this is 30, 35, okay, 35. So I'm going to draw a line. So we draw a line from here. Okay, so we have this. Then I also draw a line. So from this point, so it goes like this. All right, so we have this, and then so I just come up here, and then so I put the short line myself. So we have this. All right, so that's how I'm going to place it. Okay, so then the next thing that we are going to do is to so we are going to for the ridge cap, so placed on the roof. So we need to show it. Okay. All right. So I'll just work this out. All right. So the ridge cap has a thickness. So that's what I'm trying to bring out here, and then here I'll do the same thing. All right, so we have this now. Okay, so I'll just terminate the roofing material here, and I'll terminate it here like this for the roofing material. So we have this. All right, so we have placed the roof on the building. So I'm trying to make it more visible. And then, all right, so we have this now. So for the facial board, so let's make it more visible. All right, so here we have the facial board now. So let's work on the main part of the building. So let's work on the main part of the building. So as you can see it here, so this line, so we have to make them so thick line. So this line will be a thick line from here down, and this line will be a thick line from here down. Okay, so then the line, so there's an edge of a wall here. So for this line, so we have to make this line okay, so the beam, okay, so what is the height of the beam from the floor level? Even that is not stated here, so that is not stated here, so nothing is stated about it, but this is how we are going to get it. So the height of the door is 2100, so 2100 by 100, so that would be 21. Okay, that will be 21. So the beam will be a little bit above the window, so it will be a little bit above the window, so that is the bottom part of the beam will be a little bit above the window. So let's just make it 20, let's make it 25. So let's make it 25. Okay, 25 millimeter. We have to set the beam because we have the beam here at the veranda. Okay, so let's, okay, so this line, so let's make it 25. So we take 25 millimeters. So this is 25 millimeters. Okay, so I will also come on this line and take 25 millimeters up. This is 25. So for the beam, so we are to draw this line. So we draw a line from here to here. Okay, so then this line, make the thick line from here down as an edge of a wall, and then we also make this a thick line from here to here as an edge of a wall. So that is done. So we now need to work on this window. Okay, so it is that window is what is W1, so W1, which is 1200 by 1200, so that is 1212. So we need to get the top of the door. So top of the door is what is 21 millimeters from the floor. So from the floor, okay, because the top of the window determines the top of the, sorry, the top of the door determines the top of the window. So that is why I got the bed. We are not putting our door here. So this is where we have door into this sitting room. Okay, so we are looking at this window. That's what we want to work on. So from here, so we take 12 millimeters down. This is 12 millimeters. Okay, so then give it okay, so I'm just going to, so because we have the same type of window all here, so I'm going to draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, okay, so we have this, and then coming up here, so I will also draw a horizontal line. Okay, so we have this. All right, so then so we have to, so work it out. So we give it a frame, so like 1 mm inward and outward. Okay, so we also have window here. All right, so then, all right, so we have a window here too. Okay, okay, so up here, so we do the same thing. So we take it inward, so 1 millimeter. And don't forget that they said the windows are casement windows. They are casement windows. Casement windows. And just go online on Google and Google the physical appearance of casement window. But I'm going to show it here, so you are going to see it here. For a casement window, so for this size that we are given, so it's going to be in two pieces. To be in two pieces that we can open it. One goes to the left and one goes to the right. So this is how I'm going to show it. So there's going to be a line in between them. So we have it like this, and then I will also do this. Okay, so then here also, so we have it like this, and then So I also have it like this, okay. So we have this then. So it's made of glass. So we have this part to be glass. So we need to show that symbol of glass. Okay, so I need to do the same thing here. Okay, so you may decide not to do it for everything. So once you do it for one part, so maybe one or two of the windows, so it covers everything. Okay, so then, all right. So these are the windows. Okay, so for the floor, so the floor are this veranda. So we see the whole of this. So while the floor for the room, so will be drawn with short dashes line like this. Okay, so this also, so we draw a short dashes because we cannot see that floor. That floor is inside the building, so we can't see, but we can see the edge of the floor here. So this is how the front elevation will look. So we can just write it here. So this is the front elevation. So front elevation. So then we write the scale. So the scale is 1:100. So this is the front elevation. So it's as simple as I've shown it here. All you have to do is to practice. So let's meet on the next one, which is for the sectional view. So God bless you.